Join me as I dive into the world of electric cars and take on the challenge of exploring how Tesla is dominating the industry. Tesla is undoubtedly the leader in the electric car market, and its impact on the automotive industry has been nothing short of revolutionary. With a market capitalization of over $100 billion, Tesla's market value is higher than many traditional car manufacturers combined. The company's innovative approach to electric vehicles has disrupted the industry and forced traditional players to rethink their strategy. Tesla's commitment to sustainability and reducing carbon emissions has resonated with environmentally conscious consumers, who are willing to pay a premium for eco-friendly vehicles. As a result, Tesla has become synonymous with electric cars, and its brand has become incredibly valuable. The company's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy has inspired a loyal following of fans and customers who are passionate about the future of transportation. The electric car market has experienced exponential growth in recent years, and Tesla has been at the forefront of this trend. With its sleek designs, impressive performance, and cutting-edge technology, Tesla's vehicles have become the benchmark for electric cars. The company's success has also attracted new players to the market, further accelerating the growth of the electric vehicle industry. In the past, many people were skeptical about the viability of electric cars, but Tesla has proven them wrong. The company's dedication to innovation and customer experience has created a loyal customer base, which has contributed to its success. Today, Tesla is not just a car company, it's a leader in the clean energy movement, and its impact will be felt for generations to come. Traditional car manufacturers have struggled to adapt to the electric vehicle trend, and Tesla has capitalized on these challenges. Many of these companies have been slow to invest in electric vehicle technology, and as a result, they have lost market share to Tesla and other new entrants. The shift towards electric vehicles requires a fundamental transformation of their business models, and many companies are still trying to figure out how to make this transition. The internal combustion engine has been the backbone of the automotive industry for over a century, and many traditional manufacturers are struggling to let go of this legacy technology. Meanwhile, Tesla has been free to focus on electric vehicles from the start, without the baggage of legacy investments in internal combustion engines. This has given the company a significant advantage in terms of innovation and speed. Tesla's first-mover advantage has allowed it to establish a strong brand and customer base, making it difficult for new entrants to compete. The company has also been able to build a vast network of charging stations, which has reduced range anxiety for its customers. As a result, Tesla has become the go-to brand for electric vehicles, and its market share continues to grow. Many traditional manufacturers have tried to launch their own electric vehicles, but they have often been met with lukewarm reception. These companies have struggled to match Tesla's level of innovation, quality, and customer experience. Moreover, they have had to invest heavily in marketing and advertising to try and catch up with Tesla's brand recognition. The lack of economies of scale has also been a major challenge for traditional manufacturers. Tesla's massive production volumes have allowed it to achieve significant cost savings, which it has passed on to its customers. This has made it difficult for smaller players to compete on price. As a result, many traditional manufacturers are struggling to make a profit in the electric vehicle market. Tesla's innovative technologies and strategies have been key to its success. The company's battery technology is widely regarded as the best in the industry, and its Autopilot system is considered one of the most advanced autonomous driving technologies available. Tesla's direct sales model has also disrupted the traditional dealership model, allowing the company to connect directly with its customers and provide a seamless buying experience. Tesla's software update strategy has also allowed it to continuously improve its vehicles, adding new features and functionality to its cars over time. This has created a loyal customer base, with many owners feeling like they are part of a community that is driving innovation in the electric vehicle space. The company's commitment to innovation has also led to the development of new technologies, such as its SolarCity solar panels and Powerwall energy storage systems. These products have enabled Tesla to offer a complete sustainable energy solution to its customers, further reinforcing its position as a leader in the clean energy movement. Tesla has recently surpassed several major production goals, including the production of its 1 millionth vehicle. The company has also launched several new models, including the Model 3, which has become one of the best-selling electric vehicles of all time. These milestones demonstrate Tesla's ability to execute on its vision and deliver high-quality products to its customers. Tesla's recent success has also shown that electric vehicles can be profitable, dispelling the myth that electric vehicles are not viable as a business model. The company's focus on automation and cost reduction has allowed it to achieve significant profitability, making it an attractive investment opportunity for shareholders. Tesla's dominance in the electric vehicle market has significant implications for the future of the automotive industry. As the world transitions to sustainable energy, Tesla is well positioned to remain at the forefront of this trend. The company's innovative approach to electric vehicles has created a new standard for the industry, and its commitment to sustainability will inspire a new generation of entrepreneurs and innovators. Tesla's innovations and market strategies have reshaped the electric vehicle landscape, and its impact will be felt for generations to come. The company's commitment to sustainability has inspired a new generation of consumers who are passionate about the future of transportation. As the world continues to transition to sustainable energy, Tesla is well positioned to remain a leader in the electric vehicle market. So what do you think about Tesla's impact on the electric car industry? Share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos on electric vehicles.